Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm doing a DIY vanity lights and I wanted to show you everything that I'm doing here. Right now I'm unboxing the lights and I purchased these lights from Amazon. I'm showing the brightness of the lights. I think it comes into 10 settings. Right here, I'm getting the lights situated. I'm positioning them before I decide to stick them down and get the spacing right together. This mirror is 30 by 30. I wanted a big mirror because I wanted to be able to see enough, when I stand up and everything and get myself ready. Yeah, so continue to watch. Thank you. So right here, I decided to get out my measuring tape just to help me make sure that I have the right distance in between the light bulbs because I wasn't sure and I just wanted it to be perfect. But yeah, this is my first time, guys, doing a voiceover, so please forgive me if I have a pause or if I mess up. And yes, just continue to watch the video. Right here, I'm done putting the lights on and sticking them on, and now I'm on the back and I'm taping the wires down. In some sections, I did twist the wires together to keep them closed so they don't unravel, and I decided to use clear tape. That was just my preference. And as you can see, I'm just going around and taping all the wires down in the back. Some of them were longer than others, and some of them I didn't unravel all the way and was shorter, if that makes sense. So I just taped it down where it was. And that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Just taping down the back and getting everything situated and how I wanted it and everything. Well everyone, this concludes my video. This is the finished project of my mirror. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.